Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Derrick. Derrick is a unique trader. Derrick is on the fast track program, and this is why this account is slightly different. Derrick has gained 11.51%, daily gain of 0.07%, drawdown 6.30%. This account is a bit unique, and I'll explain it in depth because Derrick did not make the right credentials to get onto the FTP program. So he joined the program below that, which is the fast track, which is 7,500. So same rules, but the only difference is half the funding. So Derrick has 7,500 and his target was $750. So based on hitting that target, now he's on $15,000. So instead of having 6 levels, it's starting 1 level below, and which means it's doing 7 levels. Let's have a look at the account. He's had 298 trades. And more importantly, he's won 148 out of 298 and lost 150 out of 298, which represents a 50-50 win-loss rate. But overall hit is 10%. Derrick complements what is right and what is wrong and still being in profit. Derrick done this with a total of 150.7 pips. So let's scroll down now. Derrick has been on the fast track program for 6 months, 1.54% in February, 0.25% in March, minus 1.17% in April, 1.8% in May, 3.8% in June, and 4.9% in July. These are the trades that he's done, and these are the percentage gains. He's had 299 trades. Let's have a look. You can see Derrick can only do a maximum of half the lot size, but you can see he's had double funding now. So I can't look at the most recent trades because he's obviously trading at the maximum lot size now. But if we go back to the previous trades, you can see his lot sizes are slightly different. Let's just try and work out where he got in. As you can see, he's got 0.4, 0.5. He's been trading actually more or less above his weight. And as you can see, he's still got a few losses, but he's still got consistent gains. But more importantly, he's maintained the account. He's been trading a bit aggressively, to be honest, but he still maintained the account. So this is a conversation he will have with the risk manager. But overall, you can see Derrick has actually performed well. And looking at all the trades here, we can see it's not bad. He's still got consistent gains, 20 pips, 15 pips, and losses. But overall, look at his biggest gain, $813.05 and lost 289.50 cents. So 178.3 pips is his best gain to date, and his worst trade is 96.5 pips. He has all of his trades for about 10 hours and 14 minutes. But Derrick, moving forward, there's a lot we can do here because one, utilizing stop losses, that would definitely help you. And now you're on to the 15,000 now. You're going on to level 2 now, level 3 now, which is 30,000. I will tell you, stick to liquid pairs. Let's look at your summary. You've traded quite a few pairs, but we can see majority of your gains have come from the pound US dollar Swiss franc, CAD yen, and euro pound and euro Swiss franc. So stick to these pairs that bring you consistent pips and dollars. Analyze the fundamentals. Check the best time frame that complements your trading strategy. Allow FOMO. Read psychological books and helping your mindset. And more importantly, join a community of supported traders on the AudaCity community page. That will help you be a successful trader. That will help you network with like-minded individuals, and more importantly, give you that confidence that you have right now to go on to trade even more efficiently. And I challenge you to try and reduce your drawdown and increase your win percentage by at least 10%. So if you're aiming for a 60% win rate and a 40% low rate, and as you scale up on the FTP program, your confidence will grow significantly because trading is fun. When you're enjoying your trading, you become more confident. And remember, you get paid the same time you hit your targets. So congratulations, Derrick, and I wish you all the best on the next level. Well done, because you're the first person I've reviewed on the fast track program. So well done on hitting your 10%.